Have you been feeling unusually tired lately, even after a full night's sleep? Perhaps you're struggling to stay focused, finding your energy levels dropping throughout the day, or reaching for extra coffee just to keep moving. While many people blame these issues on stress, aging, or a busy schedule, low iron levels may actually be contributing to the problem. Iron is an essential mineral that helps carry oxygen throughout the body, supports brain performance, and plays a key role in energy production. When iron stores become depleted, symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, poor concentration, and reduced stamina often begin to appear. The good news is that many natural foods contain generous amounts of iron along with other nutrients that help support energy, vitality, and overall well-being. In today's video, we'll look at 7 nutrient-rich superfoods that may help maintain healthy iron levels, support oxygen transport, and promote better overall health. Be sure to stay until the end because the final food on our list often surprises people with just how nutritious it truly is. 1. Spinach. When people think about iron-rich foods, spinach is usually one of the first that comes to mind, and for good reason. This leafy green has earned a reputation as a nutritional powerhouse, providing a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. In addition to iron, spinach contains vitamin C, folate, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and numerous plant compounds that help support healthy blood cells, muscle function, brain performance, and energy metabolism. One of spinach's greatest strengths is its exceptional nutrient density. It delivers a large amount of nutrition while remaining very low in calories, making it an excellent choice for individuals who want to improve their diet without significantly increasing calorie intake. Iron plays a critical role in the formation of hemoglobin, the protein responsible for carrying oxygen through the bloodstream. When iron levels are insufficient, oxygen delivery becomes less efficient, often leading to fatigue, weakness, reduced endurance, and mental fog. Including iron-rich foods like spinach can help support healthy oxygen circulation and sustained energy. Spinach is also rich in chlorophyll, which gives the leaves their vibrant green color. It additionally contains antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that are well known for supporting eye health and helping protect cells against oxidative damage. Another reason spinach remains so popular is its versatility. It can be eaten fresh in salads, blended into smoothies, added to soups, mixed into pasta dishes, folded into omelets, incorporated into casseroles, or lightly cooked as a side dish. Even small portions can significantly increase the nutritional value of a meal. Interestingly, the way spinach is prepared can affect how easily certain nutrients are absorbed. While raw spinach offers many benefits, lightly cooking it may improve the availability of some minerals and antioxidants. For even better iron absorption, spinach can be paired with foods rich in vitamin C. Ingredients such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, tomatoes, and bell peppers can help the body absorb iron more efficiently, allowing you to get the most nutritional value from every serving. For anyone seeking a simple and natural way to support healthy iron levels and maintain consistent energy, spinach remains one of the best foods to include regularly. 2. Lentils. Lentils may be modest in appearance, but they rank among the most nutrient-rich foods available. For generations, they have served as an important dietary staple around the world thanks to their affordability, versatility, and impressive nutritional profile. A single serving of cooked lentils provides iron, plant protein, fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, and slow-digesting carbohydrates. Together, these nutrients help provide lasting energy rather than the quick spikes and crashes often associated with highly processed foods. Unlike refined carbohydrates that can cause rapid changes in blood sugar levels, lentils are digested gradually. Their high fiber content helps slow glucose absorption, supporting more stable energy and reducing sudden feelings of hunger or fatigue. The iron found in lentils supports healthy red blood cell production, while their protein contributes to muscle maintenance and recovery. Folate works alongside iron to support blood health and proper cellular function, making lentils especially valuable for maintaining vitality. Lentils are also one of the best plant-based protein sources available. For vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to reduce meat consumption, they provide an excellent way to increase both iron and protein intake at the same time. Their benefits extend beyond energy support. The fiber in lentils helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria and promotes healthy digestion. Because nutrient absorption begins in the digestive system, maintaining gut health can help the body make better use of the nutrients it receives. Another reason lentils remain so popular is their flexibility in the kitchen. They work beautifully in soups, stews, curries, salads, grain bowls, casseroles, and plant-based burgers. Their ability to absorb flavors and seasonings makes them suitable for a wide range of cuisines. Many people also find lentils exceptionally satisfying. Meals built around lentils often provide long-lasting fullness, helping reduce unnecessary snacking and supporting steady energy throughout the day. Combined with their affordability and long shelf life, lentils remain one of the most practical and nutritious foods available. Whether your goal is increasing iron intake, improving nutrition, or maintaining better energy levels, lentils deserve a place in your diet. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they offer an extraordinary concentration of nutrients that support energy, immunity, and overall wellness. These small seeds are among the most nutrient-dense snacks you can eat and provide a simple way to boost iron intake naturally. Each serving contains iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and a variety of essential vitamins. Together, these nutrients support metabolic health, muscle performance, immune function, and cognitive well-being. One of the most valuable nutrients found in pumpkin seeds is magnesium. This mineral participates in hundreds of important processes throughout the body, including energy production, nerve communication, muscle contraction, and heart function. Since many people fail to consume enough magnesium, pumpkin seeds offer an easy way to increase intake. Zinc is another standout nutrient. It plays a vital role in immune defense, wound healing, tissue repair, and healthy growth. Combined with iron, zinc helps make pumpkin seeds particularly effective for supporting overall vitality and resilience. The healthy fats found in pumpkin seeds provide a steady source of energy while helping promote feelings of fullness between meals. Together with their protein and fiber content, these fats help create a balanced snack that supports stable energy levels throughout the day. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants that help defend cells against oxidative stress. Excessive oxidative damage has been linked to fatigue, inflammation, and various age-related health concerns. By helping neutralize free radicals, antioxidants contribute to both immediate wellness and long-term health. Another advantage is convenience. Pumpkin seeds require virtually no preparation and can easily be added to many foods. Sprinkle them over salads, mix them into yogurt, stir them into oatmeal, add them to smoothies, include them in homemade trail mixes, or enjoy them straight from the bag as a nutritious snack. For individuals looking to increase iron intake without drastically changing their eating habits, pumpkin seeds are one of the simplest options available. Even a small daily serving can contribute meaningful amounts of iron while providing numerous additional health benefits. Their unique combination of iron, magnesium, zinc, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants makes pumpkin seeds one of the most complete superfoods available today. If you're searching for an easy way to support energy production and overall wellness, these nutrient-packed seeds are an excellent addition to your daily routine. 4. Lean red meat. When discussing foods that naturally provide large amounts of iron, lean red meat consistently ranks among the top choices. One of the primary reasons is that it contains heme iron, the form of iron most easily absorbed by the human body. Compared to the non-heme iron found in plant foods, heme iron is utilized much more efficiently, making lean red meat one of the most effective foods for supporting healthy iron levels. Because of its superior bioavailability, healthcare professionals often recommend lean red meat to individuals struggling with low iron stores. While plant-based iron sources certainly offer important nutritional benefits, the iron found in red meat is generally easier for the body to absorb and use effectively. Beyond iron, lean red meat provides an impressive range of nutrients, including complete protein, vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, phosphorus, and several important B vitamins. Together, these nutrients support muscle health, nervous system function, tissue repair, and efficient energy metabolism. Vitamin B12 deserves special attention because it plays a crucial role in both red blood cell production and neurological function. Interestingly, low levels of vitamin B12 can produce symptoms similar to iron deficiency, including tiredness, weakness, brain fog, dizziness, and reduced endurance. Foods that provide both iron and vitamin B12 can therefore offer valuable support for maintaining energy and overall wellness. The high-quality protein found in lean red meat is equally important. Protein supplies the amino acids needed to build and repair tissues, preserve muscle mass, strengthen immune function, and support countless biological processes. Because protein is digested more slowly than refined carbohydrates, it also helps promote fullness and stable energy levels. Another benefit of lean red meat is its remarkable nutrient density. Even moderate portions provide substantial amounts of essential vitamins and minerals, making it an efficient way to improve overall nutrient intake. Choosing lean cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, eye of round, or extra lean ground beef allows you to obtain these nutritional benefits while limiting excess saturated fat. When combined with vegetables and other whole foods, lean red meat can serve as part of a balanced and nutrient-rich eating plan. To maximize iron absorption, pair red meat with vitamin C-rich foods such as bell peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, citrus fruits, or leafy greens. This combination can further improve the body's ability to absorb and utilize iron effectively. 5. Oysters. While oysters are often praised for their exceptionally high zinc content, they are also one of nature's richest sources of iron. Gram for gram, oysters frequently provide more iron than many foods commonly associated with this important mineral. These nutrient-rich shellfish deliver highly absorbable heme iron along with zinc, vitamin B12, copper, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, and premium quality protein. This impressive nutritional package makes oysters one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Iron supports oxygen transport throughout the body, zinc strengthens immune function and tissue repair, while vitamin B12 contributes to healthy nerve function and red blood cell formation. Together, these nutrients help support energy, mental performance, and overall vitality. One of the most remarkable aspects of oysters is the amount of nutrition they provide in a relatively small serving. For centuries, coastal communities have valued oysters as a concentrated source of nourishment. Long before scientists understood nutrition, many cultures associated oysters with strength, endurance, and good health. Copper is another important nutrient found in oysters that often goes overlooked. This trace mineral helps the body utilize iron properly and contributes to healthy red blood cell production. Because oysters provide both copper and iron, they offer multiple nutrients that work together to support oxygen delivery and energy production. Oysters also contain antioxidants that help defend cells against oxidative stress. Excessive oxidative damage has been linked to inflammation, fatigue, and accelerated aging, making antioxidant-rich foods valuable additions to a healthy diet. Whether served raw, grilled, steamed, baked, or incorporated into seafood recipes, oysters provide a unique culinary experience while delivering exceptional nutritional value. Although they may not be an everyday food for most people, even occasional servings can contribute meaningful amounts of iron, zinc, and other nutrients that support long-term health and vitality. 6. Quinoa. Unlike most traditional grains, quinoa stands apart because it is considered a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. While this feature alone makes quinoa impressive, it also supplies iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, fiber, and numerous beneficial antioxidants. Originally cultivated thousands of years ago in the Andes region of South America, quinoa was highly valued by ancient civilizations and often referred to as the mother grain. Today, it remains one of the most nutritious plant-based foods available. Quinoa helps support sustained energy thanks to its combination of complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. This balanced nutrient profile promotes slower digestion and a steady release of energy, helping avoid the rapid blood sugar fluctuations often associated with refined grains and processed foods. Its iron content supports healthy oxygen circulation throughout the body, while magnesium participates in hundreds of biochemical reactions involved in energy production, muscle performance, and metabolic function. Quinoa is also an excellent source of manganese, a trace mineral that helps support metabolism and contributes to the body's natural antioxidant defenses. Together, these nutrients assist the body in converting food into usable energy more efficiently. One of quinoa's greatest advantages is its versatility. It works equally well as a breakfast porridge, a salad ingredient, a soup addition, a side dish, or the foundation of grain bowls and countless other recipes. Its mild flavor allows it to pair easily with both sweet and savory ingredients. Because quinoa is naturally gluten-free, it has become a popular alternative for people who avoid wheat and other gluten-containing grains. Many individuals find that meals containing quinoa help them feel satisfied, energized, and mentally focused. The fiber content provides additional benefits by supporting digestive health, encouraging fullness, and helping maintain healthy blood sugar levels. These qualities make quinoa an excellent food for promoting both energy and overall wellness. For those seeking a plant-based source of both iron and complete protein, quinoa remains one of the most impressive choices available. 7. Spirulina. If any food deserves to be called a true superfood, spirulina is certainly a strong candidate. This blue-green algae has been consumed for centuries and is widely recognized as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Despite its simple appearance, spirulina contains remarkable concentrations of protein, iron, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Gram for gram, few foods can match its nutritional density. This is one reason spirulina has become increasingly popular among athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and health-conscious individuals looking to maximize nutrient intake. Its iron content supports healthy red blood cell production and efficient oxygen transport throughout the body. At the same time, its protein content supplies essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and numerous biological functions. In fact, spirulina consists of approximately 60 to 70% protein by weight, making it one of nature's richest protein sources. Spirulina also provides several B vitamins that play important roles in energy metabolism and overall cellular function. These nutrients help the body convert food into usable energy and support healthy daily energy levels. One of spirulina's most unique compounds is phycocyanin, the pigment responsible for its distinctive blue-green color. Studies suggest that phycocyanin possesses powerful antioxidant properties that may help support healthy cells and reduce oxidative stress. Because oxidative stress has been associated with fatigue, inflammation, and premature aging, antioxidant-rich foods such as spirulina may offer valuable long-term health benefits. Another reason for spirulina's popularity is its convenience. It is commonly available in powder or tablet form and can easily be added to smoothies, juices, yogurt, oatmeal, or homemade energy bars. Even small servings provide a concentrated dose of nutrients. Many people appreciate spirulina because it delivers substantial nutritional value without requiring large amounts of food. This makes it especially attractive for busy individuals seeking simple ways to improve their diet. Although spirulina is not a miracle cure for fatigue, its extraordinary nutrient profile makes it one of the most impressive superfoods available today. When combined with adequate sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet, spirulina can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle.